Hi, folks. Joseph Kursky here with you to talk about using a 3D globe, a 3D web mapping application to compare different political areas, countries, in this case, states. Let's look at Vermont versus New Hampshire. You're fostering spatial thinking. You're fostering the use of web mapping applications, measurement. You can use this in environmental science, geography, GIS courses, social studies science. You can rotate these political areas, as you can see here. France versus Texas. Czech Republic versus Poland, etc. You can even compare Earth features like Brazil versus Olympus Mons on Mars and other political and physical features, Earth versus Mars, with other tools that I describe on this channel. So rotating Vermont and New Hampshire, I can make a hypothesis, which I encourage students to do, but I'm also encouraging, as you've seen me do on other places in this channel, checking multiple sources. You can see there when I check those multiple sources that Vermont is indeed slightly larger than New Hampshire. Why is that? What are the political and historical reasons? So it's slightly larger than New Hampshire, not much, but a little bit. But New Hampshire's population is quite a bit larger than Vermont's. Again, talking about the history, the settlement, the geography, the physical geography, the cultural geography of the two states. Why are they the same? What makes them different? What makes them the same? So doing this in the context of your courses gets students actively learning, and it encourages them to think about history, geography, time, and space. I just love these tools. No sign-in required. A web browser is all you need. Last but not least, this is cast on a 3D globe. So your measurements and your comparisons are going to be much more accurate than if you were using a 2D map, for example, cast on the web Mercator projection. Very important point for you students and also for faculty to convey to their students. Thanks.